All right, first of all, I'd like to say happy 20th to Kordz. Kordz has been around for quite a long time, and what's really interesting about turning 20 years old is a lot of companies don't make it 20 years in this particular industry. There's a lot of turnover, there's a lot of new companies that threaten other companies, but what Kordz has done, which has actually been really amazing to me, is focused on innovation, focused on quality, and that is everything in this industry. We need to be reliable, we need to have reliable installations, we need to have reliable products, and we need to be able to count on the companies in this space that can provide those things. And I think it speaks for itself that as a company remains for 20 years within this industry, that means the product has to speak for itself, that the product is actually reliable and it's available. So I just want to give kudos to Kordz for being around for 20 years. And I'm also looking forward for Kordz to be around for another 20 years.